Okay, so it is 6:40 a.m. and the snowstorm is moving in. Some of the side roads are already pretty sketchy, and it's probably really only been snowing pretty steady for maybe like the past hour and a half. Driving up kind of a main artery right now. I'm away from the house maybe about 15 minutes, and the roads are okay right now, so we got to go all day, and we will see what it's like this afternoon. They're calling for up to 12 inches of snow from now through Tuesday afternoon, and it'll be exciting to see what we get. So drive safe out there if you're watching in the viewing area, if you're affected by the storm. Go slow and keep both hands on the wheel, and you'll be okay. All right, next time.